How to uninstall Riot Games client on Windows. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can uninstall Riot Games client on Windows. So it's very simple. The first step is to open up your PC, and then once you've opened up your PC, the next thing to do is to right click on the screen, on any empty space on the screen. Alright, just like I have done here. And then once you've done that, amongst the options displayed, ensure you select display settings. So after selecting display settings, you'll be taken to the settings page. So on the settings page, move to the left side of the screen where you can see options like home, system, Bluetooth and devices, network and internet, and then select apps. So after selecting apps, you'll be taken to the apps page and then select installed apps, and then you wait for the all of your application to load. So once you have all your applications displayed on your screen, the next thing to do is navigate through to your Riot Games application. And then once you can find it, move to the left side of the screen and click on the three horizontal dots that you can see there. After clicking on that, two options will be displayed. All right, you can see the option modify, and then you can see the option uninstall. So just go ahead and click on uninstall, and then you can see another info which says this app and its related info would be uninstalled. Just click on uninstall, and then just like that, Riot Games would be uninstalled. Now the reason I'm using this particular application as an example is because I don't have the game installed on my device for now. But for you, just follow this procedure. Click on the three dots, click on uninstall, click on uninstall again, and then the application will be uninstalled. It might take a while, if a few minutes or thereabouts, but definitely the application will be uninstalled. So this is how you can uninstall Riot Games client on Windows. Thanks for watching and have a good day.